high and I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today we're making jerk pesto pasta. Yes, you heard me right. Oh, this is my original creation, so you won't find this anywhere, so you'll have to make this from scratch. So here we go. For your pesto, you'll need some pine nuts, olive oil, jerk seasoning sauce. Using my original brand, use any of your choice. Garlic, Parmesan and basil. However, I added some parsley and some cilantro. Keep in mind, this is a personal choice. I personally think it makes it taste better, but if you don't want that, leave it out. Now, I went ahead and toasted my pine nuts. All I did was add a little butter to a pot, added my pine nuts and just keep flipping them over and over. I also added a little jerk seasoning, so that's why it had that color that you're looking at. Then I added everything to my blender and I blend. I'm telling you, this blender was struggling, so I had to change it out to a big blender. Now, I should have just did a half and then a half for it to fit in this blender, but it didn't work that way, so I had to change out the blender. Anyways, pot on the stove with my little water and you boil your pasta. Don't overcook the pasta. Just before it boils, take it off. Like probably 2 minutes before it reach your desired tenderness, take it off. Strain off the hot water off of it and just add your pasta back to the pot. Now, since I'm ahead of the video, it's a good time to let you know that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. So like I said, you're gonna drain your pasta. When they're almost cooked, add them back to the pot, and then you just add your pesto sauce and stir that in. I also added a little garlic powder and a little onion powder. I don't know how I cut that out of the clips, but believe me, I did. And I also added a little pepper. That's up to you. Also, my jerk seasoning was a little spicy. So, oh my God, the flavor of this was great. You guys are gonna love this. And it's so quick and easy. When the pasta soak up all of that pesto sauce, oh my God. And day 2, it is even better. And believe me when I tell you that this was so easy. The only problem I have with this is the cost of pine nuts. Did you guys know that pine nuts was that expensive? This 4-ounce bag of pine nuts was $13.00 with tax. That is just ridiculous. That is just crazy. But it was worth it for this one time, for this pasta. I don't think it's something that I'll do every week. It's special treat. Remember to take out a cup of your noodle water before you drain your noodle. So here I drained the pasta, add it back to the stove, and then I added my pesto sauce. And all I did was went in with my spatula and stirred it in. Oh my God, look how beautiful that is. Then I added the pasta water to the blender cup, shake it up to get out all that residue, throw it in there and continue to stir. And this is why I say, don't overcook your noodles. Let them finish cooking in this pesto sauce, and then all this sauce will soak up in your noodle and everything will come together so good and taste so good. There I added a little pepper. Like I said, I added a little onion powder and a little garlic powder, not too much, because this pasta sauce alone was so good. Another thing to keep in mind, if you love Parmesan and you add a lot, don't add a lot of olive oil. I used like 1/3 cup, and I could have used a little less because I added a lot of Parmesan cheese because I love Parmesan. So if you love your Parmesan, add little less olive oil. I served this up with some salad and a piece of ham. Perfect combination, chef kiss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. Mwah.